I'm Scott with Marc's Mobility. Today we're going to be going over how to install arm pads on the new Jazzy Ultralight, so stay tuned. The arm pads for the Jazzy Ultralight are an upgrade that you can get. They look like this. There's going to be one side that is sealed, one side that is opened, and they do send you two arms. Installing it, you're going to have to remove the joystick and a cup holder, and then you'll have to remove a screw. I'll show you how to do that in just a second. But first thing we're going to do is take a look under this arm. So I'm going to go ahead and remove the joystick on this side. It's got a quick disconnect here, and then to flip the arm up, there's a little red dot or red button here, and underneath there is this little screw here that is holding the joystick in. We're going to unscrew that, slide the joystick out, and you want to take this screw entirely out. The next thing you want to do is move this cable out of the way. But then you're also going to have to take this off as well. It's just a Phillips head. So we'll unscrew that and it will come out. And you'll see on the new arm pads, there's holes drilled out. So this front hole is where this screw will go through. Then there's these two on the side, depending on what side you go on, is where we're going to reattach this. Before you slide the arm pads on, we're going to add this Velcro. And where it's going to go is right under here on the bottom. Now I'm not going to install this because this is a new unit. I don't want to get sticky stuff on it. But you're going to just take the back off and stick it just like this under here. Make sure you're not covering up any of those screw holes. So now that both of those has been removed, the open side is going to go onto the arm. We'll just slide it on all the way down. And make sure that hole aligns. There we go. So that's what it looks like. You can see I have the hole aligned with the threaded screw. From here, what I can do is slide my joystick back in and rethread my screw. Next, we're going to put this little clip back on that holds our joystick cable. It also has a threaded screw in here. That's been reattached. Now that the arm pad is on, we have the Velcro on the other side that's going to attach to the Velcro we installed earlier, and that's what's going to hold this in place. So it's going to rest under there, kind of like that. And then from there, you'll go ahead and connect your wires back together, run your cable, plug it back in, and you should be good to go. We'll do the same thing on the other side. You just have to remove the cup holder instead of the joystick, but it's the exact same process. This has been how to add the arm pads to the new Jazzy Ultralight. If you like this unit, if you have any questions, please give us a call. There's also a link in the description where you can order this unit or view pricing. Don't forget to check out our full review on this as well. We have those videos on our channel. Please like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.
Hi, I'm Marc.
And my name is Alex. We're co-owners of Marc's Mobility.
I started this company in 1995.
We sell many products, not just what you see in this video. If you have any questions or concerns, please call us at the number below at 800-677-6293. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.